Hello, this is Sam with Kanen Espresso machines, and today we're doing a quick video on a common issue with Profitec 700s where they don't heat. Oftentimes, if your Profitec 700 is not heating, this little relay has gone bad, and a solid state relay. And you can tell if you have 12 volts going to the DC side, around 12-ish volts, and the machine's not heating. And also if you have 120 volts going to one side of the load side and then not coming out the other side. And so these little guys, they tend to go bad, and it's just right here on the side of the machine, right above the control box. So not too hard to replace. So thank you for watching this Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.